velocity edit. So add your clip and extract the audio, add the keyframes to each beat, then you'd need to separate the keyframes. Now after doing this, you'd need to adjust the speed, select curve, and on the last keyframe you'd need to select fade in. Doing this will provide a smooth transition from one clip to the next. Now after doing this, you'd need to add overlay and add a white video overlay. Set the duration to 0.2 seconds and set the splice to overlay. The next step would be to add an animation, out animation, fade out. Then you'd need to copy and place wherever the beat drops in your clip. Now between each clip, you'd need to add a motion blur and set the horizontal shift to 45. Now after doing this, the last thing that you would need to do is to add a shake effect and change the speed to around 20 and the intensity to around 20. Add under each motion blur, and basically that's it. Export and share. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful in creating the velocity effect for you. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like on the video. A sub to the channel will be appreciated. Thank you for watching. Hacker 007 out.